Run a topic guide in the Logos mobile app to access information in your library on nearly any biblical concept or topic. To open the guide, tap the navigation menu icon and choose Topic Guide. Enter any topic you want to research in the Lookup field. If multiple options fit your search term, the guide displays a list of suggestions for you to choose from. Tap the entry you want, and Logos populates the guide with relevant information from your library in 4 sections. Because it pulls from your own resources, your results will be customized to your library. You may need internet access to view and interact with them. The top section, Definition, displays Bible dictionary entries on your topic. Tap any linked word to open the full entry in a new tab. Returning to the guide, Related Verses shows verses on your search topic. To view any verse in full context, tap the reference to open your preferred Bible. The final 2 sections help you visualize the topic. If you have sermon illustration resources in your library, entries on your topic show in the Illustrations section. The Media Resources section shows images from your library relating to your topic, like images from your study Bibles. Guides bring your resources to you, so you don't have to go find them individually. Search for any biblical topic or concept with the topic guide to start your study today.